Butcher, butcher, deboner, slaughterman. So today I've got three positions. I've got one position in Sydney and two positions in Perth for a retail butcher, right? So I'm looking for somebody that's presently employed as a butcher or a deboner. If possible, somebody that's onshore already on a standard 482 sponsored working visa. If you're on a normal 482 visa and for some reason you've lost your job, or if your employer is not willing to add your family on the visa, if the employer is not willing to offer you permanent residency, or if your salary is not competitive, let me know. Maybe I can assist you with changing employer, changing sponsor, or relocating. Um, yeah. If I can't get somebody onshore, then I'm willing to look at offshore applications. If you're offshore, I don't want any applications from the Philippines, some wet and dry market with their fucking fake certificates of employment and fake recto university documents. Not only that, I want somebody that's got legitimate experience. Ideally, somebody that's working in a big supermarket or a butcher shop. If you're in the Middle East, perfect. Documents will be great, legit, easy to verify. Yeah, salaries start at 76,500 and go up from there. It's the 482 working visa with the ability to transition into permanent residency. 5 years experience, IELTS scores of five or higher. So yeah, butchers, Sydney and Perth. My name's Kano. I do recruitment and visas for Australia. If you like this, press the like. If you want to hear about more jobs, press follow. That's it. Cheers, mate. Bye.